Yes, sir, here. Rahulji, good afternoon. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you. What color shirt are you wearing?
So this is like a check pattern. Do you like it?
First, let me see it.
He's wearing a mask.
So the fact that you have taken note, I take that as a compliment.
I can't find the check pattern shirt. Okay, I find.
This side, yes, sir. This side. It's a very small checks in blues.
Yes. And you're wearing a nice blue mask also.
Thank you very much, sir. This is a designer mask gifted to me by a friend. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is that a lockdown is like a pause button? A lockdown is in no way a solution to the COVID virus. It is as if you've hit pause and stopped the virus in its tracks until the lockdown. When we come out of the lockdown, the virus is going to start its work again. So it is very important that we have a strategy to come out of the lockdown. Now, what are the things that need to be put in place? The lockdown allows you the time and space to put in medical resources, to ramp up your testing ability, to prepare your hospitals, to get ventilators, to create the type of architecture that is required to fight the virus when it picks up again. So there is one misconception that I would like to clear up. In no way does a lockdown defeat the virus. It stops the virus for some time. Now, what is the real weapon against the virus? The biggest weapon. The biggest weapon is testing. Testing at scale so you know where the virus is moving and you can isolate the virus, you can fight the virus, and you can target the virus. Now, I want to give you a few statistics on testing. I think our testing rate is 199 out of a million. And if you look at all the tests that we've done over the last 72 days, it works out to approximately an average of 350 tests per district. Now, this is in no way enough to tell you how the virus is moving. So the central theme is if you want to fight the virus, you have to increase testing dramatically, and your testing has to go from chasing the virus to moving ahead of the virus. Means you have to move into random testing and you have to start to preempt where the virus is moving. A lot of our testing is currently chasing the virus because we are identifying cases and then following the virus. With that type of testing, you will never be able to actually get a good image of what the virus is doing and where the virus is. So one advice to the government, and this is something that I've said and we've been saying, push testing aggressively, maximize testing, and use testing strategically. Use testing to assist the states in their fight. Use testing not simply to track patients who are infected, but to create a map of India to see where the virus is moving, identify hotspots using testing. So I'm proposing scaling up testing and using testing strategically. And I'm saying that the government of India currently, the testing levels are too low and they're not using testing strategically.